poppin'? It's your girl Robin, and we're back at it again with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys the most affordable wig that I've ever done on my channel so far. This wig is under $100. I'm gonna put the specs up and the price up of this wig so you guys can see exactly how much it costs. Yeah, this wig is super duper affordable. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. All right, you guys, I have my hair pushed back. I just put it in a low ball cap. I put some makeup on it. I don't really think the makeup was needed. I was just being extra, but I have my wig from VIVIBABI. I already went ahead and, you know, got my part together, pulled out some baby hairs. It's a 4x4 closure, so it's not going to take me any time at all to install this, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do it. So the first step that I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and use my RK by Kiss makeup. I'll show you guys what they look like on the side. I'm gonna be putting that into my lace, and then from there we're just gonna get into the install, honey. We're gonna be using my Bold Hold Liquid Gold to go ahead and melt it down, and I'm not gonna be talking in this video too much. I'm just gonna let you guys know what I'm using, and then we're just gonna get started. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and clip some of this hair back because I want to cut these little corners where the tracks are. So I'm just gonna take this. Girl, it didn't even cut off, girl. So I hot comb where my baby hairs are gonna be, and then I'm just gonna put on my elastic band to let it melt in. I'm probably gonna leave this on for about 10 minutes, and then when I get back, we're gonna cut the lace, do the baby hairs, and then I think I'm gonna trim the front of the hair a little bit more. The front of this wig is definitely longer than the back. It's like an asymmetrical bob, and I'm not really feeling that, so I think I'm just gonna cut it so it can be kind of like an all around, like even kind of cut, kind of like Jada Waiter vibes. You already know. If you don't know, now you know. But yeah, I'm gonna let this lace just melt in a little bit more into my skin. Don't be minding my dirty elastic band, girl. Mind your business. If you're in my business, don't do that.
You're in my business? Yeah, don't do that. Anywho.
And yeah, I'll be right back. right, you guys, so this is the completed look. This is what we came up with, guys. I think this wig is very grown and sexy. It's very easy. It's very fly and go. It was literally super duper simple to install this wig. As you guys can see, all I use is my Bold Hold liquid gold and a little bit of Got to Be Glued spray. And it has me like flat. Like, I don't know if you guys can see how flat this wig lays. It comes with a adjustable strap inside of the wig, and it also comes with an elastic band. And I think the elastic band sewn into the wig honestly did it for me because it's so tight on my head. It's not going nowhere. She's staying where she needs to be. I feel like I'm about to be swinging this bob all the way around. Like, I feel like I'm about to just be doing too much in this wig because, y'all, it's mad cute. I feel mad grown. I never had a bob this short before. It came as like an asymmetrical bob, but I just decided to cut the front and kind of just give like, you know, classic bob, like all the way around blunt cut kind of bob. And I absolutely love this wig. The hair quality is amazing. It's thick, it's soft, it's bobby, stiff wear, like it's giving. I'm gonna be swinging this bob around like I'm Lord Farquaad. I'm not playing. Like, this wig is mad cute and it was mad easy to install. I love it, guys. I'm gonna put the specs on this here on the screen. It was under $100, guys. This is literally beginner friendly, pocket friendly, hot girl summer friendly. Like, need I say more? Like, do I really have to say any more? No. I absolutely recommend this hair. This is definitely baddie on a budget hair. Like, you can really look so polished and classic. If you are looking for an affordable wig for this summer, something cute, something short, something sweet, short and to the point, definitely check out VIVIBABI hair on Amazon. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.